Hi guys, welcome to MTP Academy. My name is Murugesh. In this today's video, we are going to discuss about the market outlook. What is going to be happen may happen in coming week, and defensive trader now. Okay, because see, Nifty Bank Nifty, it is not at all sustaining the tops. You saw the last Friday, how it has been reacted in last moment, last three four candles, how it has been fall. So if you are a trader, you have to be ready for both the side. Like you have to be, you got the opportunity, we have to go long. If you got opportunity, we have to sell. Short selling, we have to be, we have to trade both the sides. But the short selling is not at all easy. We need a mindset, we need a experience about that one. Okay, but while reviewing the market, for the best approach is top down approach. Top down approach is something like, first, if we have to check what is happening in the global market. US, Japan, Germany, Korea, like this. You can choose, global market, global countries, and you can check the market what happening. Second, we are coming to Indian market, Nifty Bank Nifty, what is happening, and best sector to go long or go short. If it is global market is too weak and Indian market is too weak, so we have to find out the stocks where I can short. I can, find a weak stock to short that one. So my view is here, we can get both long and short trades, but we have to be very careful. If you are seeing some, in 2023, if I am riding a RSC or a PFC, I have waited for 100 plus points. But now it's not like that. If I am getting any signal, in, even though in hourly, I'm just cutting that trade. I'm just booking even the small profit also, it's fine, but I'm booking. But just about the market outlook. But let's go to uh, global market charts, and we can find out whether it is weak or how it is looking for, right? Okay, as we discussed, we'll go one by one. First, I'll take Dow Jones US market. Yes, it is stable, there is no sign of weakness. Okay, and Nasdaq, this is also stable, there is no issue with this, because actually Dow Jones is more stronger than Nasdaq, because monthly it is already moved, and it is also breakout. From the monthly perspective, it is already breakout, cup breakout, we can say. So weekly above 60, daily above 60, monthly above 60, there is no weakness in Dow Jones. Yes, S&P 60, 500. So this is also same thing, just like a Nasdaq. Good. There is no issue with the US market. Then let's move to Germany, or Nasdaq, as per their style. Well, just in daily it is taking some sort of weakness, or a double top, but overall it is good. Weekly, monthly above 60, and it is trying to be cross this 17,000 mark. It will. With respect to Nikki, Japan, yes, it is also bullish. There is no sign of weakness. Kospi, Korea, okay. Yes, this is at side. Is it is in a sideway, because it is not it break the monthly 60, and weekly also. Both are between 40 and 60. So we are not interested in this. In fact, whoever is trading uh, US market, it's completely bullish. It's completely bullish. You can go ahead with trading the Dow Jones. Okay, and some US stocks which are major stock. For example, Apple. Yeah, monthly breakout, cup breakout, 20%. Wow. Microsoft. It is also cup, already cup breakout. Smooth ride. It's going good. Okay. Google. Yes, Google is at resistance. It's better to not trade this one. So the one, I mean, if you someone is trading in US market, then better to trade Meta and Facebook. Meta means, and Microsoft. And now Apple, this is at resistance monthly. Okay, so it's a trending, but it is sideway in weekly and daily, so it's not need to be touched, this one. Berkshire, okay, monthly breakout, cup breakout, weekly breakout. So happily you can trade this one. Nvidia, this is a trending stock. Okay, it's completely 80, 80, 80. Superb, superb. RSI is extended. It's need to be some cool down. It's not a overbought area. It's a extended area. So it's a good. Just we are not able to trade this one now. It has to come to at least 60 like this. In that time, we can take a chance. The one who want to trade the Nvidia, he can add the position when in daily if it is came to RSI 60, right? This area is the best area when it is cross 60 above this consolidation, I can say. So that was the best buying area actually. It's okay. Amazon bullish, completely bullish, 8% up, and just wait for breakout 190. Okay, it's just all 60, all above 60 if it is, but still have a resistance. Okay, Tesla, Tesla, no trade here because it's a selling stock. A selling pressure is there heavily, and as per the pattern, it is breakdown, weekly breakdown from the previous low 190 below. It has been closed this week, and if it is starting, I mean, if it is continue, then you can see at least 150, 155 range in coming week. So let's see what happened in that. Okay, then gold, it's breakout, retest, and come breakout and retest, bullish. Just if someone is going long, just wait to cross RSI 60, this area. Okay, and silver resistance, no trade in this. Crude oil at support, monthly at support, but it, if it is not hold this one, we can see a fall. There is a support, that's why this is you know this is called change in polarity, man. That means before it was a resistance, now it has become a support. Okay, my mentor teaches it, told us like this is a CIP, change in polarity. Okay, just remember. In night, natural gas, it's got again weak. It took a support over here and it went for 1 week, 2 week. Now it's again bearish. Okay, don't try any up move here. Don't try any long trades, I can say that. Okay, because it's already 190 below, and it is completely huge fall from 215 to 180. Okay, copper, it's a week, it's in like this, but okay, fine. Then it is in a 60-40, then we are not going to be trade this one. Okay, so overall in global market, it is bullish. There is no sign of that scary situations. Okay, there are some stocks are sideways, some communities, but it's okay. But the view is bullish in global market. View is bullish completely, right? We'll go to Indian market now. We'll go to Nifty, monthly bullish, weekly bullish, but look at these two red candles, and in daily also look at these big red candle, number of red candle, size of red candle. So this this is nothing but size, frequency, and color. Means when it is in a trend, there is no red candles, even though there one or two, that is not an matter. But when this particular candle happened, after that it went 4 5 sideways, it tried again, sudden fall, again big red candle, it's again tried, but again big red candle, and Friday it tried to cross this one, but sellers from that supply zone, it fall. right? Okay, so that is why I told you at the beginning, it is the this is a time where we have to be very defensive. Defensive means trade slowly, take only less trades. If you are confident, trade, otherwise quite. If you have a knowledge of short selling, utilize that one. See, the one who shorted at 22 100, 21 8 850, almost to 250 points in a single day. Okay, so I don't say that this is weak. Okay, but in next week, if in case if it is crossed below 21 600, okay, then we can see some sort of, in weekly chart I'm talking about, if it is below 21 600, then we can see some sort of downfall up to 21,000, I can say. Okay, otherwise if it hold 21 850 and 6, that means this 250 points range. Okay, so in that case I can say, because the 50% of weekly candle is very important for the next week. So I took that 21 600 will be a Lakshman Rekha for next week. If it is crossed below, then we'll see that it seems like it can come back to 21 200, and it will make a M pattern in weekly. If it is followed, then in coming weeks you can see almost 20,400, 20,200 to 400, this range. Okay, so this is what view. If it is in other case like long, it has to cross 21 22 200. Okay, then we can see a continued long journey, right? Long, we can go for a long once it's crossed 22 no, 186. Okay, what about this one, bank this is a fin nifty. We have to wait for, because it's too bad compared to nifty. So uh, it's already broken the triangle. After that it is making a W pattern, but it is not sustained on Friday. So just wait, or else find a trade fair we can short this one, but don't aggressively don't go long. Okay, right? Okay, we'll go to bank nifty. Yes, bank nifty, if you are seeing monthly, it is trying to be hold. Last month candle is closed. Look at the volumes, right? It's huge. In weekly, daily, it is below 60. That means bullishness is gone. There is no bullishness. And the major important thing is like it is rejected from exactly moving average, middle moving average, right? That means because see, I believe that uh, moving average 20 is the for a longer short. It is a Lakshman Rekha. If it want to be go up, it has Friday itself. It's supposed to be closed above 46 900, 930, right? So it made a very reversal candle here. Reversal candle means it okay, it was a trend, completely trend. Like it went, it crossed this, but finally it is not sustained. That is what. Okay. So if it is continued, if for example, if it is continue and if we gap down, if it is started trading down, then you can see easily 4400, 44,000. Okay, in incoming week. Okay, otherwise, for example, we can do the Monday review also. I mean, this is a weekly review, but let's go to hourly. See what happened. It was bullish actually, but it's crossed 60. The people who are already taken a call, I mean PE or shorted this nifty, they're already in almost 400 points in the money, right? It's a feature top in hourly. right? It's a wizard of candlesticks, right? So we have to wait for long. Otherwise, if it is crossed below 45,600, this particular range, then it's very difficult. Like you can see a mark here 44,400 in in coming 2 days. So the people who are already in a short, they can hold with the 43 300 350 SL. Who want to go short, okay, just wait for proper setup. It's already moved, and if it is gap down and if it is continue, if in case if fresh position if we need to be add, then my view is that let it come down, take breathe, start falling down. So price has to confirm us, like it has to trade here 15-20 minutes or half an hour in this particular support area. If it is not sustaining there, then we can build a position short side. Okay, and if in case we need to be go long, then we definitely wait for at least W pattern over here. For example, here, and if it is crossing 40 46 400, that particular area, then again if it is gap up like this, and if it is sustained, and if it is going up, then we can go ahead for the long side, but not aggressively, not at all, because until and unless it is crossing high, like at least I can say that this area, 47,000, we don't have a chance for going up. Okay, if closed any candle in coming week above 47,000, we can add a long. Okay, it must need to be close above 47 or 47,200 this area, then we can go ahead for the long trade, right? Fine, this is what the Indian market. So next what, we have to go to the uh, sector chart. We have to find out the sector, which sector is good, which sector is weak. Okay, let's go to sector charts, all sectors. Okay, let's go to one by one, like reality, the conclusion. Okay, first, before going to be sector review, I'll just conclude my view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty. First of all, this I at the beginning itself I told that this is a volatile year. We have to be very careful, and in January itself we saw that volatility, how it is going on. Okay, second point is, even the monthly and weekly, Nifty is, it's holding a 60 above, but Bank Nifty is weak. Financial sector, it's very important backbone, it's very important primary sector, we used to call that as, so that is weak. So now don't aggressively go, don't go aggressively in long side. Okay, wherever you get a short trades, you just try that also. And long means we need some more confirmation. We have to wait for 1 or 2 week to be sustained at the top. Okay, that is what the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's move to the sectors review. First, reality, weekly, monthly, obviously bullish, but see, this is the exhaustion, because it's already running like a marathon, like it's completely uh, one way running. Okay, now because of why now we are not interested in uh, reality. See, this is the big candle where it is closed below moving average, below this 20 moving average, and the the upside candles. Okay, there is no strength, there is not at all strength, there is no candles like this, all are very small. So my view is that we have to be very I mean, we have to be wait for proper setup, and even though if it is breaking this high, it has to be breakout with a complete big candle, just like this, just like previous candle like this. Okay, so let's see that what will happen. Reality is wait and watch. Energy good, energy stocks are doing good. Okay, and you can see that all are 60 above cup breakout, and daily also it is taking a good strength here. Okay, and infra, it's good, it's good. Okay, 80 above 80 80, it is just making a some noise here, like these big red candles are there. No, these are very dangerous. Why means you are long and suddenly it fall like this, it will erode all your profit. So one more thing, just yesterday yesterday or last week I just learned about learn to sell at strength. That means if you saw any weakness, that means open equal to high, sell at strength. Even though you can see a strength over here, but sell at strength, it is very difficult. Because for example, someone is bought at this, example I'm telling, he bought at reversal candle from the moving average, and he's waited here, and he thinks like, no, why I have to sell, it's outside from the band and everything. But the year is like that, we have to be book our profit when and there we got the opportunity. Again you can buy here, but at least you save some, uh, you take some profit to home, right? So that is what, learn to sell at strength, right? But it is a good sector, and we can choose a good stocks from this sector also. Next, pharma, good. Defensive sector, if it is market is coming down, pharma and the IT will be go up. Okay, but we'll see that. I mean, how which stock is very good, and how can choose a stock, we'll review that one. I'll come up with that also. But let's, pharma is good. Okay, so let me mark few sectors which I am. Pharma, energy, let's go to FMCG. Hmm, okay, it's taking a support at 40, it's a good thing, but the fall or candle sizes are very big. So my point is that wait, 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 completely wait for a long. Okay, it has to be reverse with a W pattern, proper W pattern, because it is not sustaining, because it made a good move, but it is not sustained. Now also second day, red, big red candles. So better to wait. Don't be aggressive to trade in FMCG, but wait for a confirmation. But if in case it's crossed 40 in daily and 60 in weekly, then we can check for the short trades. Okay, IT, as I said, it's a defensive sector. Market is falling, but still here strength is there. Okay, so check IT stocks if you want to go strong, weak stock, weak sectors, right? Okay, IT, right? Uh, if you want to go long, then check for the IT stocks, which one is doing good. Okay, let's move. PSU banks, yes, we're already long in Bank of Baroda and Canada in this. It's very good, going doing good. PSU, PSC sector, public sector. It's already it's a rocket. But here also see some sort of weakness, like this kind of candle. Next, metal. Huh. See, this is the one of the sector where it could give a good trades in coming week or coming month, because monthly already out, it's performing good, and last month it's closed well, and now it is crossing high. It's already crossed high, right? So we have to find the good stock here also in metal. Jindal Steel, Tata Steel, can GSW, can check those also for go long. Okay, auto, it's taking some pause here, because previously it is a smooth run. Okay, now it's already two times it has break the 20 moving average. Now it making some sort of selling. So I'm not bullish in Tata. Sorry, Auto. Okay, and next, private banks. We know that one bank Nifty how it is because of HDFC. So uh, no interested in long right now. Just wait for that. Bank Nifty we have already reviewed. Media, media is too weak because 60 already came below and it's at 14 week. If it is again, if in case it's crossed below, then just gone. So weak in weak sector, media, right? And finance sector, yes, same similar to the bank Nifty. Okay, so if in case Nifty is sustained, then we are going to be trade in pharma, IT, okay, energy, PSU banks. These three PSU banks we have to be very careful because bank Nifty is not performing well. If it is bank Nifty is reverse from the bottom or the current consolidation part, then we better to be go for the PSU banks, Canara Bank and Bank of Baroda. These two are there in my watch list. IT, we'll see that. I mean, how which are the stocks are doing good, LNT and sorry, we have to check for that TCS and all. We'll check that one. Okay, we'll go to sectorial stocks now, and we can review that also. Let's discuss with DLF what it is doing actually. See, it is a very strong stock. Cup breakout in monthly. We all aware of that cup strategy, and still it is a strength up to 1200. Okay, but as a trader point, okay, currently market is in a sideway, and there are some selling opportunity we have to be find out. So this is the first one which I got, and here see it is a double top, and it is already confirmed with these red candles. I don't say this it is very weak, but just we have to check in the check for the opportunity. But this is the contra trade, and we have to be very careful. Okay, if it is coming back to 800 above, then I'll exit. Already I'm in a position with DLF, and if it is crossing 800 above, then I'll exit my um, position and give the SL to market. Okay, and second selling opportunity is with Jubilant Food work. Okay, it's clearly breakout. We supposed to be find out it early, but still it's there is a I can say the some opportunities are there because selling volumes are already increased in weekly, and along with that, in daily it is below 40. That means it's strong bearish stock. Okay, so what best we can do here is either we have to wait for coming back to near 520, that means middle band. Okay, or else let it cross 480, 480, not 480, 490, sorry. Okay, because there is a support over here for a 490. If it is breakdown from this, so it's already trend line, it's breaks the trend line, and even though in monthly also, so you can see a good downtrend in Jubilant Food up to, you can see that 450 levels, 464, 450 levels easily. Okay, so my point is that I'll just wait for pullback to the moving average, near moving average, middle band. So from there we can take a trade. Third one is Hindustan Unilever, HUL. Okay, it's completely it's got a bearish actually. See, in monthly it's a consolidation. My point is that if it is breakdown from this 2400 levels, there is a chance to see 2100 also in the incoming weeks. Okay, but whenever when we got the opportunity, we have to check that one. Okay, see, look at this. If in case we are tracking this, it is exactly reverse from 2500. Okay, it's near to middle band in daily, and there was a resistance here. Okay, it's kind of a CIP, I can say, because it's it's breakdown from the support. Again, it went back to that particular resistance, and it is coming back. Okay, so definitely it is a good opportunity for the shorting purpose. Okay, let's go to next one, ITC. Yes, ITC is, yes, it's making an M pattern in monthly. Okay, even if it is above 60, but in daily and weekly it is bearish. Okay, and if in case it's crossed 420 in coming weeks, then it's completely, you can see 400 and 380 range, because we have to check 480, 420, 80 points, huh? Yes, we have to we can trade this in a sell side in coming weeks. Definitely there is a M pattern, and if it is breakout, breakdown only, if it is come below 420, then definitely we can go aggressively sell side. Okay, and these four stocks are in sell stock list, and we'll go to buy stock list. Okay, right. First, energy sector. In energy sector, uh, I have a few stocks like Tata Power, very good. There is no weakness here. IOC, definitely it's a good, but we have to wait for the opportunity. Say, wait for the opportunity is nothing but when it is coming back to near moving average or near 60. Okay, because it's already moved out of buy range. 140, 145 is the buy range, but it is already 160. So it's not a good for a risk to reward point of view. So again we have to wait for this. Okay, see, there are a lot of opportunities when, if in case we are tracking a good stocks, right? If you are tracking from 113, see, from 113, if in case we are tracking this one based on this cup breakout, we got one opportunity here, we got another opportunity here, we got another, there are three opportunity we were we can get, and we can trade in this particular stock. Okay, next one is BPCL. Very good. But let's confirm the breakout. It's above the cup only. It's almost a 5 year cup, I can say. And just we need to be wait for some more confirmation. But it is definitely a very good pattern, cup pattern breakout. So we can start tracking this one. Okay. And in IT stocks, I choose two. One is OFSS, but it's already move from almost 4,500 to almost 6,500, but I need some pullback here. Okay, okay, next one is TCS. Yes, TCS is interesting because it was in a trending, again it is consolidating here in monthly, and once if it is breakout from this particular 4,000 4,100 range, we can track this and start trading. Okay, but one cautious mark here is, whenever you are trading pharma and IT stocks, you have to be very careful, because these two sectors are depend on the global news also. Okay, uh, I think recently Cipla, you might have observed, there is a sudden fall. Okay, if you're everything is fine, I mean technically it is fine, but there was some there's license or some license is cancelled by Fed, but there was a news like that, and it suddenly fall like 10%, 15%. So if in case we are in a future with a good lots, then what we can do? So whenever we are trading IT and pharma, careful, just keep a very light uh, quantity, right? But specifically, I don't trade much in IT and pharma. That's why my original picks will be like DLF, Tata Motors, REC, PFC. Okay, so these are the buy side currently I'm tracking, and we'll go to pharma stocks. It's a good one. It's really good because it weekly and monthly already above 60, and it is came to near 40, right? 40, and it's a very low risk trade, I can say. Look at this. Take a SL below this swing. Okay, 47.50. Okay, yes. Tomorrow itself, you can trade this from above 49.31, right? It's a very good setup currently. Okay, Sun Pharma, it's a trending stock. Okay, just again, and here's look at this. We have to take some cautiousness here whenever you are observing the uh, RSI. You have to multiple divergences are there. For example, here I don't think so whether it is going to be sustained or not at upper levels. Okay, again here. Okay, there are multiple divergences in Sun Pharma, so careful. It's a trending stocks. I don't say that, but there is a we can say the speed is reduced, momentum is reduced. So just careful if you are trading this one. Okay, in pharma, best stock will be Dr. Reddy because it's monthly already breakout from breakout from the range. Okay, 6,000 range. Okay, so here we can try for the momentum. It's already out of the range 6,000. Again, it is pullback and it's making an inside candle. If it is crossing all time high like 6157, then we can go ahead for the long trade. Okay, next uh, we can go to Bank of Baroda. Yes, Bank of Baroda already we discussed that this is a cup breakout. We can check out the opportunity when and there. Like if it is come back to 60, then definitely we can go ahead with a trade. Okay, just track. We can track this one. Next PNB, This is also not trending. Just these are the opportunity. Like if it is coming near to middle band or near to 60 60 like this, definitely we have to go for the buy. Okay, and Canara Bank. Canara Bank, same. It is also breakout from the particular range. Okay, cup we can say cup from 15 8-year cup we can say, and after that it is already moved from the support. Okay, and some other stocks are Adani Entertainment. Sorry, Adani Enterprises. There is a opportunity for another 1,000 points in monthly. Okay, in weekly there was a consolidation going on, and if it is breakout from this region 3157, okay, then we can see a momentum over here because uh last 3 week it is in a only single 2800 2800 to 3200. Okay, so just wait, and at the top it is not sustaining. It's made a very you know uh, doji kind of uh, candle and lot of red candles here. This is what the problem. Okay, so if you are going for a long, then very careful. Adani Ports is good compared to the Adani Enterprises. Okay, here it is in daily. It is breakout already. It is breakout. So good. Yes, it's really good. And in metal, National Aluminium, it's in a trending. Okay, good, good. National aluminum is in trend. Jindal Steel. Yes, yes, yes. This is also breakout. Look at this. Just wait for under 800 to be cross. Okay, 800. So just track this one. Okay, if it is cross 800, then we can wait for the opportunity and trade that one, right? And Bank of Baroda, yes, this is a list which I am tracking, and as usual, my picks will be for a long. I'll definitely track these PFC and REC because just it's a very good consolidation, I can say. Okay, now it is come above 60. In daily also it's came above 60, then we can just try for the trades in REC and PFC. Okay, Tata Motors is something like it's already moved out of the range, like three candles. If in case we got at this candle like 800 range, then we would be in a very uh, we would be in a profit, good profit actually, right? Yes. Okay, friends. This is what the buy and sell list which I am following currently for the next coming weeks. Okay, let's see how market is going to be give a opportunity, because already we discussed about Nifty, Bank Nifty. Those are in a dicey moment, like going up and falling again, and there is no proper trend. So be don't trade aggressively. Just if it is possible, you can short wherever it is you get the opportunities. Okay, based on that we can go forward, right? Okay. Okay, one more thing just I wanted to mention here. See, I'm sharing this market review, or my trade setups. It is completely for the knowledge purpose. Okay, this is not for anyone I am asking for joining my training or something. No, if you're interested, you just directly contact me. Okay, what happened? And last time I explained about the REC and PFC trade. One of the person, he's commented like पहले verified PNL link publicly share करिए. Okay, there is no issue with for that, but I mean that is not necessary. But for his satisfaction, just let me just share my PNL. Okay, see, in April I have started with, okay, 5 lakh, and up till December it went to almost 12 lakh. Okay, after that, now these 2 months it's going up and down, and currently again I from this January I started with a 5 lakh, and I am just aiming for under same 100% more than 100% target I kept for this coming December. Okay, so and here you can see currently from April 1st to till now, I'm holding almost 90%, 95% still I am holding the profit. Okay, so my point is that by showing this, no one take my profit or something. I am providing my knowledge, my view about the market to share the knowledge to other person who are coming into my community. Okay, so if you're if you're believe on the learning, okay, if you want to learn about the momentum trading, then you can just join me, join in my training, or you can find good content here also in coming days. Okay, so this is what the intention behind the making these videos and sharing with you people, right? So if you like this one, like the content about my videos, you can just subscribe to my channel, and you know share it with the other your friends also. Okay, if you want to join the training, welcome. Okay, you can find the all the details in description. Okay, you can find the description over here. You can contact me directly. I have provided my information also, right? Thank you guys then. Okay, see you in next video. I hope you find these complete list of stocks which you can trade in coming week. Okay, share with your friends, like, happy trading.